to Game 1 of the championship for the finals of the 1996 All-Filipino Cup. It's in the air, the intensity, the excitement, and the desire of these two teams to clinch the championship.
There is tension, there is electricity in the air. And when you're talking of Pure Foods and Alaska, you're talking of the league's top two defensive teams. When these two teams play and match up against each other, you're going to expect a classic confrontation. Alaska is now here in the finals at ang motivation nila, yung kanilang pagkukuha ng missing jewel. The All-Filipino Championship has never been a championship won or taken by Alaska. Kanya, this is a championship that is much coveted as far as Coach Tim Tone is concerned.
Ito si Jeffrey Cariaso, George Lastimosa, Felix Jacob, Bong Ravena, Cariaso, galing sa labas, sumaksak sa loob, binabantayan pa rin si Rey Evangelista, 5 seconds on the shot clock, Lastimosa! Pangatlo na yan. Pangatlo na po yan na triple B.
Well, patuloy ang mainit na outside shooting ng Alaska.
George Lastimosa, tama kay Bong Ravena, there's a switch. Ramas, ang ganda ng pasahan ng Alaska! Ang ganda ng pasahan ng Alaska, ika nga, smooth na smooth. Evangelista binigay kay Patrimonio naman kay Hawkins. Patrimonio gets a clear shot! Yes! At nabuhay bigla itong mga fans ng Pure Foods PJ Hotdogs. 7 na lang ang kabante ng Alaska at 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Matagal-tagal pa rin itong stretch na hindi nakakaskore ang Alaska. 7 na lang ang kabante ng Alaska. Pero Alvin Patrimonio will go for a 3-point shot! What a big one! That was a big one by Alvin Patrimonio.
Remember, for Alaska, they cannot afford to foul.
7 seconds on the game clock. Evangelista gets the miss. Inabot kay Jericho Duniera. No basket, sabi ni Referee Moreno. Wala raw. Not counted. Nalamang po ng dalawang Alaska. Pure Foods down by 2. Rey Evangelista of the PJ Hotdogs at the line with 2.9 seconds. Strip! Pumasok ang una.
Alright, now, if we're going to miss, fellas, we want to box out. Edwards, come to the man. I'm sorry. Edwards, go to the rebound here. Ray, to the rebound. Okay? Johnny, on the release, I want you to run and get in front right here. Don't go early now. Don't go early. Maga, wait for the release. The ball, get in front of the man right here. Box out. Alright? Jeff, you come behind right here. Don't go early. You're going to get the tip.
Kung sakasakali man, magpintis ito si Evangelista, dapat makuha nila yung rebound. Because kung makuha ng Pure Foods yung rebound,
Pwede sila
offensive rebound, yes, they can win it outright. But remember, may isa pang timeout itong Alaska. And Evangelista, he misses!
Johnny Evangelista gets the rebound! And they win!
Pure Foods battled all the way in Game 1 before Alaska escaped with a nail-biting 78-77 victory.